Hey everybody, happy Wednesday, Miss Allison here. We're going to look at a new platform that we're going to be trying out to do our synchronous time and some video calls together. So I wanted to give you kind of some verbal directions here along with an email that's going to explain what we're doing and why to make sure you get to the right place, all right? So let's take a look here. This is your schedule for the week, and you'll notice that for tomorrow and for Friday it says please have Microsoft Teams open, more information coming. This is more information. So let's take a look here. Microsoft Teams is something that you probably used in the spring. If not, that's totally fine. I'm going to show you what you need to know right now. So there's a video later that shows you how to get to it. This is just an overview of like what is Teams and why are we using it. All right, so you will get this email. If you are watching this video, you've already gotten this email, so that's fantastic. Teams looks like this. This is their icon, all right? And hopefully you read through this, but I'm going to read through it with you to really make sure you understand what we're doing and why for our synchronous time. So it says, hello and happy Wednesday. Like I said, the beauty of a 3-day week, guys, is that we are halfway through the week. That's amazing, right? Even though it's snowing and the world feels like upside down right now, we're halfway through. So that's fantastic. All right, so guys, we're going to try a new interface for synchronous sessions. Though Google Meet does have a lot to offer, I want to use Teams because we can get in contact with small groups or individuals a lot easier on Teams, and it's really efficient. So we might still use Google Meet sometimes, but I really want to pilot this together for the next couple days, see how it goes while you're working on your asynchronous work, because I think it's going to be really helpful. So here are some norms, all right? When we are using Teams, we should always have it open. It's an application, which means if it's not open, it says you're not there, even if you're sitting there working at your laptop. So it needs to be open during English time, which is 8:30 to 9:45 every single day. So please make sure it's open, and that way I can find you. Or you could find me. Wait for the teacher. So if you've used Teams before, you know how it works. That's amazing, okay? What's going to happen over the next couple days is I have a list of who I need to meet with and when, and I'm going to be getting to each and every one of you, but it might take a while for me to call you, right? Because I have a lot of people I'm talking to. So please wait for me to contact you, all right? So if you know how to use the features, that's awesome. Please wait, and we're going to always wait for the teacher or whoever we're supposed to be meeting with to be the one to either call you or start that meeting. And if you have any questions and you can't get Teams to work, just shoot me a quick email and I will try to help you as soon as I can when I'm not in a meeting. All right, so those are general norms. Then we have the same norms if we're doing either a group meeting or a small one-on-one. Group meetings is the same as Google Meet. Okay, so it should be really simple. I have those there to remind you. And then finally, if we're doing a one-on-one, you can have your microphone on. In Teams, it's a lot quieter, and obviously if we're doing a small group or one-on-one, I'm going to want to hear every voice quickly, whereas in class, sometimes we have to wait to share our turn only because when there's a lot of us, again, it gets really loud and the feedback is not great. Your voice is important and I always want to hear it, okay? But use your microphone in a small group. Enter on time or answer the call, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if I'm calling you, please answer, right? Because I want to talk to you and see what's going on. Same thing about waiting. So if you somehow find yourself in a meeting where nobody else is, or it's just you and maybe another classmate, just wait for the teacher to be there. And then like we talked about, be present and use the chat appropriately. Okay, so like I said, we're going to use these during Thursday and Friday. So here is another video that shows you how to open Teams. Here's a picture of what it looks like for English class specifically. Okay, and then down here, this is the important part. So wait for your call. Now, I'm going to get to all of you Thursday and Friday, so half of you on Thursday, half of you on Friday. If I don't call you on Thursday, no worries. You open Teams, that's great. I will get to you on Friday, right? And kind of the opposite of that. If I do talk to you first, fantastic, but just make sure you have it open. This is what it looks like when someone calls you, and I couldn't find a picture that didn't have like somebody that we knew, so I don't know who this is, right? But it'll show this up, right in the like bottom, I believe it's in the right-hand corner of your screen. You need to click on the blue video button or the blue call button to answer it. Please don't hang up. The red, it means hang up. So answer one of those two things and like, hello, it's going to be me, Miss Allison. I'm just going to check in, say, hey, how's English going? Amazing. Do you need anything? And then we'll move on. It's nothing to stress about. It's not high pressure. I just want to check in individually and see how your work is going. Okay? So please answer. This is what it will look like, but it will be me, not whoever this is. Okay? Fantastic. And then answer the call. Like I said, if I can't get a hold of you immediately, that means that I'm working through my list and I will get to you before the end of class on Friday, okay? If you have any specific needs or there's anything that I can be helping you with, please email me and I would be happy to work something out with you. And again, guys, I really appreciate your flexibility on us trying these different platforms. I'm excited about Teams. I think it has a lot of great things to offer for our specific learning needs, and I'm excited that we can try this together. All right, if you need me, you know what to do, and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.